interested in any EMC products? In this case, you might be looking for such items as antennas, antenna kits, absorbing clamps, CDNs, comm generators, current probes, emission system, immunity system, ISNs, LISNs. Also, there are such items as antenna masts, near-field probes, preamplifiers, power amplifiers, spectrum analyzers, safety, transient limiters, turntables, tripods, telecom test system, and telecom analyzer. As Testups, we are an official distributor for such companies as Turkey, Greece, Bulgaria, Romania, Macedonia, Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Cyprus.